Hi, I'm James Blackman from Enterprise IoT Insights. I'm here at the Things Conference on Friday afternoon in Amsterdam, and I'm joined by David Skånehult, apologies for the pronunciation, from Elsys. And David, give us an introduction to Elsys. Who are you? What do you do?
Okay, so I'm a hardware engineer at Elsys, and we are located in the city of Umio in the north of Sweden, and we design and produce battery-powered wireless sensors at the moment exclusively for using LoRa technology, and we pride ourselves on making innovative products and using innovative solutions, and we've been using LoRa for actually before the LoRa Alliance was formed.
Okay. So I might as well get this question out of the way. I'm asking everybody, and it's I'm like a broken record. But why LoRaWAN? I mean, you obviously been there from the start. It's part of the reason for it, but you clearly like the technology too.
That's true. Yeah, I think the main reason is the low power. Actually, low power, long range, and it has a lot of different useful applications for that.
Okay, and you know, I asked Vinka and the guys at TTI to come out and name a product which they really liked, and he did it on stage as well actually, and he came back and quite unusually for somebody who probably sits on the fence on this kind of stuff, he did name a product, and he named your product the Eco, which is praise indeed. So talk us through that product. What it is, what does it do? You know, why is it so good?
Okay. Yeah, it was very nice of him to mention us like that. Really nice. So the ERS Eco is instead of like historically we always use primary lithium cells, but this is a solar powered from an indoor solar cell developed by a fellow Swedish company called Epishine. So it's optimized for indoor light. And so we harvest energy from indoor light, and we store it into, instead of a battery, we use a lithium-ion capacitor, which is sort of a new technology combination between a battery and a supercapacitor. So, yeah.
Okay, and what does it do? Why would I buy this device? How would I save energy or you know, monitor my usage or air quality, or whatever it might be? Just give us a sense of that.
Well, using a indoor solar cell instead of a battery, I think you have like access to, over time, unlimited power, if you wish. I mean, if you run out of battery, you have to change the battery, right? But using a solar cell, the capacitor will replenish itself, you know. So, and also for ease of installation, you just put it on the wall, and it will wake up and start sending data. So it can measure temperature, humidity, and we also have a CO2 version available.
And is this a consumer, you know, kind of smart home product, or is this for enterprises, or, you know, who are you selling to? Who's it targeted at? All of the above, perhaps, I don't know.
I would say we target mainly towards like real estate and like offices and the public buildings as well, because those are the places where you have great level of lighting. So yeah.
And where are you in the kind of the commercial kind of go to market with this? Is it launched in market, well deployed? Can you give us numbers? I don't know what you can say.
Okay, yeah, we're taking orders right now. So we started production, and we're going from there.
Okay. And just talk just more generally, if we can. I mean, it comes up every now and again, and it should come up more about the kind of green credentials of IoT. And it seems to be that you are a company with a conscience, you know, and you're playing it in this market with the tools that are available now. This will of course develop, but how do you assess this issue, and where do we go?
Well, I mean, as a device manufacturer for IoT, and like seeing the mass deployment of IoT, that's really increased the last couple of years. I think we started thinking about the devices that we put out there, and that they use batteries, and thinking like, maybe what happens next? Like, what happens after they stop being used, so to speak? So I think there's a lot of potential to use, especially energy harvesting. I mean, not only indoor light, but also for like industrial uses. You can have vibration or heat and so on. So yeah.
Okay, so just kind of watch this space kind of thing. But and what of this show? The team were very nice, very complimentary. But on the show floor, I mean, how are you finding the reception? How are you finding the the mood in the hall here in Amsterdam?
Obviously, a lot of people were interested in the Eco, since Vinke was nice enough to mention it in the opening keynote. So there were like a queue at our booth for a while. But also nice to connect with other people and watching like competitors, what they are doing, and looking at what the latest trends are and so on. So it's been a really good conference. I think I'm happy with. Yeah.
Perfect. David, look, thanks for your time. Really appreciate it. It's been great. Okay, and I think that's all from us here in Amsterdam. Thank you and goodbye.